Good morning, everyone. This Sunday morning, we are going to remember Gandhiji. The reminiscence of Gandhiji actually always shows me. I don't know anything about you, but the wisdom of Gandhiji is very efficacious wisdom. We talked about it yesterday, a couple of days back, and today again. Gandhiji. Gandhiji said in our vernacular Gujarati tongue, જ્યાં મૂર્ખાવસ્થા હોય ત્યાં જો તારા ભૂખા ન મરે. જ્યાં મૂર્ખાવસ્થા હોય ત્યાં જો તારા ભૂખા ન મરે. English translation is jackals do not starve where dimwits dwell. Dimwit means foolish people, and the jackal means dutara, means they can swindle you, they can cheat you. This kind of human are known as, or given the metaphor of jackal. I have prepared for 3 points to elaborate his absolutely precious philosophy. Point number 1 is jackals have jackpot of opportunity among numbnuts. Wherever the numbnut, wherever the foolish, wherever the idiotic people, wherever the ill-educated, smart ass live, jackals have always jackpot. They have jackpot. They have lots of opportunity to swindle here and there, you and me and everyone. Hither and thither, wherever they go, hither and thither. Wherever the jackals go, they see nothing but opportunity because foolish are living around him or around them. And that is why it is very convenient and comfortable for jackals to swindle, to cheat, to fool. This kind of dimwit, this kind of numbnut people who are not educated, who don't have any kind of IQ, who don't have any kind of understanding, only the thing they have is a big mouth. Big mouth. They can talk, and they can boast, and they can scream, and shout. They don't have a brain. That is why one day one student asked Albert Einstein, why cow has big, long mouth and human has very small? Albert Einstein retorted. He answered, the cow, all day long, cow is using his mouth. But for eating, human eats only 3 times. The rest of the time, he is actually using his brain, so his head is bigger than his mouth, and a cow doesn't use his brain, so the brain is very small than mouth. So big mouth people can be cheated easily, and when they are big mouth, that is the categorical, absolutely positive sign that these people are all nitwit. Point number 2, jackal can swindle numbnuts with a masterful ease. Jackal can cheat you, swindle you with a masterful ease, without any kind of efforts they have to put, with a chump effort, absolutely little chump effort, they can cheat you. They can sell you snake oil. Excuse me. They can sell you snake oil. They can tell you that it's a snake oil, but actually it must be just a simple cooking oil. And they tell you that it's a snake oil. We have actually caught the snake and they killed it and they removed its muscles and the skin and they got the bones, and we have already crushed the bone to get the oil out of it. And this oil can help you to even cure COVID. And the foolish people is going to fall for it. Foolish is going to buy it. Foolish and idiots are going to empty their pockets to this kind of jackals. Point number 3 is fools offer, jackals coffer. Jackals always receive. They are always on the receiving end. Foolish people are always on the giving end. Foolish people give them the opportunity, and jackals actually coffer the opportunity. One offers, second one coffers. Nitwits, dumber and the dumbest, they are going to offer opportunities to the jackals, and the jackals are going to offer opportunities. One offers, other one coffers. One gives, other one receives. So Gandhiji can never ever be wrong. So whatever Gandhiji has said, that if you are foolish, chances are very, very fact that you are going to be foolish, you are going to be taken for a ride, you are going to be hoodwinked, and you are going to be swindled by this kind of jackal who are running around loose in our society. They are running around, everywhere running around loose in the society. They've been cheating day in and day out. They write, on the board that 20% off, but before 20% off they write, they jack up 20%. So rather 30%, and then they give you 20% off. And the idiotic people, idiotic buyers, and this kind of nitwit consumers fall for this kind of tricks. Everywhere. That is why Adam Smith has said a century ago that businessmen will always attempt to cheat you. Then and now and in future, businessmen will never be trusted. Diwali time is coming, you will see everywhere 10% off, 20% off, 30% off, 50% off. Now he's a businessman. He's not an idiot that he's not going to sell you 50% off and take the losses. He's never going to take the losses. If he takes the losses, how is he going to pay his bills? So what he does, he knows your mentality that we are full. Consumers are absolutely nitwit and dumbwit. They are going to just write down 50% off, and they are going to jack up the price 50% higher. They will minus 50% and even come out with 10 to 15% more. So that's all the time we have. Thank you very much for listening. God bless everyone on this planet. Amen.